How does it feel to be one of the first people to see the NMACC?
Oh, I'm extremely excited. I've already seen some pictures because, you know, the IOC session is going to be held here in a few months. So I had the opportunity to actually see a little bit before this grand inauguration today, but it's an absolutely state-of-the-art facility. And I'm very excited to be part of these festivities which are going to happen over the next couple of days.
You've single-handedly been the pride of India. How do you think this center is going to figure into that same narrative?
Well, I try to chase excellence in my given field, and I think this is going to become a hub for excellence for culture and the arts. So I think it's going to be absolutely fantastic. I think the energy here just exuberates world class, and I'm sure everything is going to be at par with global best practices, and that is absolutely fantastic.
Thank you very much.